Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with powered buds and the app ready. Put the LinkBuds Fit in the case and open it beside your phone, then allow Bluetooth permission in settings so the phone can see them. If they don't appear, press and hold the case button to force pairing mode. This makes the buds broadcast their name. Once paired, the app walks you through fit check and firmware prompts. Do them now to ensure stable connection and optimal sound profile for your ears. You need a secure fit for passive isolation and correct sensor behavior, so run the app's fit test and adjust the wingtips until the app shows good seal and comfort. Then customize touch gestures so a single tap, double tap, or press does what you want. This prevents accidental skips. Once done, set ambient and adaptive sound levels to balance awareness and immersion, and enable features like Speak to Chat for automatic pausing when you speak. For everyday use, wear both or one bud depending on calls. The sensors detect insertion so playback follows you. When battery or connection issues occur, place buds in the case and charge briefly, then reopen to reconnect. This simple cycle resolves most hiccups. If problems persist, reset pairings by holding the case button about 10 seconds and reinstall the app profile. Make sure firmware is up to date and rerun the fit test to recalibrate sensors and audio alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.